I'm Pablo Bernabeu, and I'm a PhD student and graduate teaching assistant in psychology. I'm going to share some of my work with you, as well as also share my impression of the department. So I did a research master's in psycholinguistics, in which I specialized in investigating how the brain works for tasks such as language comprehension, how we process the structure of sentences, the meaning of words, and I conducted some research on this, for instance, in this study, in which I looked at an effect called the conceptual modality switch, and I looked at its time course in detail by measuring it from the actual word where it is elicited and looking at its time course in detail with a millisecond granularity by using a method known as electroencephalography, which is based on metallic pins placed on the surface of the scalp. I shared this data for fellow researchers and indeed for the public to look at in detail by going to its different sections. We can subset the different variables. This is actually the stimulus words used in experiments. This is the electroencephalographic signal collected from the participants. We can go into the different groupings. In my PhD, I've been developing research such as this multi-lab collaboration. I've been planning this study in which I'm going to merge different data sets to gain new insights into this question by combining different data sets. Other parts of my work have been related to facilitating the task of data presentation to other researchers by creating workshops and teaching about programming in language software called R. I've also created this web application to facilitate the creation of a simulated data set prior to collecting actual data or for teaching purposes. With that, I'm going to move on to talking a bit about the department. This department of psychology at Lancaster University is well placed in university rankings. And I think this is due to the good organization within the department. And I especially noticed this as a graduate teaching assistant. So we, as assistants, we get training, we get feedback, we get monitoring, and this helps us improve on a constant basis. We get feedback from the students as well. In the department, there's also transparency. So we get an insight into the committees, the committee meetings. We have student representatives there. So there is an effort for constant improvement, for transparency, and the human capital in the department allows this. So I think this is to be highlighted. And with this, I hope this was useful, and I look forward to meeting you.